Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Engliopedia. Today we're covering 50 important MCQs from Mother with Love, all in just 10 minutes. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. 30. He would 1,000 times rather bear the pain shows A. his love, B. his selfishness, C. his anger, his laziness. Answer, the line he would 1,000 times rather bear the pain shows a father's deep love for his daughter. 31. What did Minta's mother say about Christmas shopping? A. She had finished it early. B. She always delayed it. C. She never liked it. D. She forgot it. Answer. Minta's mother always talked about Christmas shopping early, but delayed it till the end. 32. Minta's mother had taffy-colored A. eyes, B. hair, C. dress, D. scarf. Answer. Minta's mother had taffy-colored hair. 33. When Minta cried at night, who came first? A. father, B. mother, C. Aunt Grace, D. neighbor. Answer. When Minta cried at night, her mother came first to comfort her. 34. What did her mother call her teasingly that night? A. baby, gollywogs, C. princess, D. dear. Answer. Her mother teasingly called her gollywogs. 35. What happened a week later? A. Minta went to school, B. mother was taken to hospital, C. father left. They went on a trip. Answer. A week later, her mother was taken to the hospital. 30. What did Minta's mother ask her to do in hospital? Take care of her father, B. cry, stay at school, sleep early. Answer. Minta's mother asked her to take care of her father and watch that he took his vitamins. 37. What did Minta promise? A. to study hard, B. to cry for her, C. to watch him like a beagle, D. to forget her mother. Answer. Minta promised to watch her father like a beagle. 38. After her mother's death, how did Minta behave? A. She cried all day, B. she stayed silent and strong, C. she became rude. She went away. Answer. After her mother's death, Minta stayed silent and strong. 39. Who suggested giving away her mother's clothes? A. Aunt Grace, B. her father, C. her friends, D. the doctor. Answer. Her father suggested giving her mother's clothes to the church bazaar. What did Minta find inside the luggage? A. jewelry, B. wrapped Christmas gifts, C. old letters, D. her own book. Minta found dozens of wrapped Christmas gifts inside the luggage. The red ribbons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Engliopedia, your guide to easy learning.